How can I master this? Believe it or not, and this is completely authentic because I didn't plan on that question.
That's why I asked you this question, because you're such an amazing person. It had to be somebody super special in the beginning to kind of mold you, and aside from all the life experiences as well.
And that's when I really got into branding, Brad. It's design, it's marketing, it's branding, it's tools, it's what I know how to do. It was 100% complete alignment with who I am, what I've been looking for, and what I think I was born to do. I was the loner in high school. I had like 3 friends. I'm very introverted. I'm very, socially awkward. Okay, but it was just everything that it was everything that I was looking for. I would do something and then I would go down. I would do something, I go down. You know what I mean? So I didn't have like a consistency about what I was doing. So I didn't think I had any influence or anything like that. But I was like, I have to make this work because this is my way out. And then when I saw that Builderall paid 100% commission, I did a little bit of math. I was like, okay, how much? I was like, how much do I need to make so that I don't have to? How can I master this? It was sheer bull determination. That's what it was.